The McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle is a twin-engine, highly maneuverable, all-weather tactical jet fighter, designed to gain and maintain air superiority in aerial combat. It is considered among the most successful of modern jet fighters with 104 aerial combat victories to its credit, with no losses. The F-15 Eagle first flew in July 1972 and entered service with the United States Air Force in 1976. It is expected to remain in service with the United States Air Force until 2025. Find the link below and buy the book now.